Once upon a time, a baker named Grandma Jane was making gingerbread cookies in a cozy little kitchen. She mixed flour, sugar, and spices to make the most delicious dough. She cut out a gingerbread man's shape and popped it in the oven. As the oven warmed up, something magical happened. The gingerbread man's eyes blinked, and he jumped out of the oven.
Wow! I'm alive!
He shouted with a big grin. The gingerbread man hopped off the counter and ran all around the kitchen.
Run! Run! As fast as you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man!
He sang, laughing all the way. Grandma Jane and her cat tried to catch the gingerbread man, but he was too quick. He dashed out the door and into the yard, meeting a sneaky fox.
Hey, gingerbread man, I'd like to be your friend,
said the fox with a sly smile. The gingerbread man was aware.
No way! You want to eat me up!
He giggled and ran faster. The fox chased the gingerbread man through fields and over bridges. The gingerbread man was fast, but the fox was clever. Just as the gingerbread man crossed a river on a friendly cow's back, the fox tricked him.
Hey, gingerbread man, don't worry. I can't swim, but I can show you how,
said the fox. Curious, the gingerbread man hopped onto the fox's back. Splash! The fox gobbled him up in one big bite. But oh, the gingerbread man was clever too. He tickled the fox's tummy, and the fox laughed so hard that he spat the gingerbread man out. Quick as lightning, the gingerbread man dashed away. From that day on, the gingerbread man knew that being too trusting wasn't a good idea. He made friends with Grandma Jane and the other kitchen cookies, and they realized how important it is to spend time with loved ones, making memories that would last a lifetime. The gingerbread man even made a cute invitation card to invite the fox for a playdate. He realized the best way to be happy is to forgive others and be kind to everyone. The fox accepted the invitation and became best friends from that day forward. Listening and reading stories is essential for you and me. I am so glad that you exercised your reading skills with me. That was loads of fun. Click that subscribe button and let's get better at reading together with Pleasant Memories Educational YouTube channel. See you soon.